Hello, my name is Andrew Rush, and this is my ECE 2035 Project 2-2 Advanced Features Checklist. So in this video, my advanced features are going to go as follows. So we have a start page and difficulty settings. We have a countdown, pause, and resume feature. We have the gravity effect, and therefore that's an updated status bar. We have 5+ sprites, including Buzz itself, the nectar block, the heal block, the poison block, the sun, and the stinger on Buzz. And then there's also a animation feature with the nectar. It's gonna like cycle through like 3 different frames, differentiating in size, so it gives off like a pulsing, kind of like a glowing effect to it. There's also directional sprites. When Buzz moves up and down, he's going to change direction according to that. His sprite itself is going to change. Also, when Buzz moves, he's going to leave behind him a pollen path. And then I also added sound effects for when Buzz picks up any pickups or any damages, and it will play different sound effects at different times and different pitches. And so there's also a replay without reset, both lose and win. You can press the B0 button, and I'll show that, and it'll replay without resetting. And then finally, there is a leaderboard that after ending, it'll show the top 3 scores across all the replays. So right here, as you can see, this is the difficulty settings, and you start out at easy, you move slower, and you have less lives. But as you climb up, you move faster, and you have, easy is more lives, slower. Hard is less lives, faster. So we're going to start out with the easy setting, so I can show everything at a good pace. So here's the countdown leading into the game, and we'll just be quiet so you can hear the animation or the sound effect. There it is, Buzz picking up some nectar, leaving behind him some pollen, and also the pulsating effect that I discussed earlier. And so then some more sprites. As you can see, you have the heal, the sun, the nectar. The nectar there just spawned right back behind us. So when Buzz picks up the sun, it actually activates the gravity feature, and as you can see at the top right, it shows the gravity timer, showing that like how long you have to keep going up until it runs out. So we'll just go ahead and let that run out real quick. So there we go. So here's some more sprites. We have the attempt at the cobweb or the spider webs, and then here is also the poison. It's no longer just a red block. It's kind of like a skull looking thing. Just looks a little more dangerous and less desirable to pick up. And something that, and so then over here, so you can see when Buzz goes up and down, it changes his sprite. And something I changed in my last video was I increased the score of, I guess, what it takes to win from 50 to 75. So I'll just real quick, actually I'll just let it run out. And so you're going to see here, you'll see you win and the chance to replay and an updated high score. So there it is. We'll press B0 to replay. More sound effects. Let's just see what happens, when we lose. You'll see, regardless, you can still replay without resetting. Just let Buzz run out of lives here. So yeah, there it is, updated score, and you can replay with B0. But something I do want to show real quick, we'll reset so that we can do the medium difficulty, and you'll see we'll move slightly faster with less starting lives, and then that will wrap up the display. Okay, so we'll click B1 and we'll go the medium setting. It's still the countdown. You can see Buzz has 2 lives this time, and we're moving just a little bit quicker. So yeah, and then still the B2 or B1 still has the use of the energy whenever. So yeah, that wraps this up. Thank you so much for watching.